On the afternoon of November 17, Ms. Tran T. Kim Hoa, Director of the Department of Home Affairs of Quang Nam Province, said that Mr. Duong Ngoc Vin had applied to resign from the position of Deputy Director of the Department of Health for some personal reasons. After receiving Mr. Vin's application and the document from the Department of Health, the Department of Home Affairs coordinated with relevant agencies and units to review and report to the Party Committee of the Provincial People's Committee. Based on regulations on decentralization of cadre management and related regulations, the Party Committee of the Provincial People's Committee discussed and agreed to submit to the Standing Committee of the Provincial Party Committee for consideration and comments according to its authority. According to Ms. Hoa, the Standing Committee of the Provincial Party Committee has agreed on the policy for the Party Committee of the Provincial People's Committee to dismiss Mr. Duong Ngoc Vin from the position of Deputy Director of the Department of Health. Based on the conclusions of the Standing Committee of the Provincial Party Committee, implementing the direction of the Party Affairs Committee of the Provincial People's Committee, the Department of Home Affairs has advised the Chairman of the Provincial People's Committee to decide to resign from the position of Deputy Director, Department of Health for Mr. Duong Ngoc Vin. Mr. Vin's specific tasks after leaving his position will be considered and arranged by the Department of Health according to regulations, Ms. Hoa said. Meanwhile, the Organizing Committee of the Quang Nam Provincial Party Committee issued a document announcing the conclusions of the Standing Committee of the Quang Nam Provincial Party Committee on personnel work related to the leadership of the Department of Health. Accordingly, after considering the proposal of the Party Committee of the People's Committee of Quang Nam Province and the proposal of the Provincial Party Organizing Committee, in the meeting on November 14, the Standing Committee of the Provincial Party Committee agreed on the policy for Mr. Duong Ngoc Vin resigned from the position of Deputy Director of the Department of Health. Mr. Duong Ngoc Vin said he wrote an application to resign from the position of Deputy Director of the Department of Health 1 month ago. He has specialized training in ophthalmology, so he wants to do what he is good at to contribute to the development of the eye industry. Before being appointed as Deputy Director of the Department of Health of Quang Nam Province, from September 1, 2021, Mr. Vin was Director of Quang Nam Provincial Eye Hospital.